Welcome to homeworklib.
In the given figure, what is the length of line segment FE? Let's begin by considering the information shown in the figure. We notice that we have two pairs of parallel line segments, with the first being that line segments AD and BE are parallel. The second pair of parallel line segments are AB and DC. So, by definition, that means that the quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, since these are quadrilaterals with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. One of the properties of parallelograms that will be useful in this problem is that opposite sides are equal in measure or congruent. So this line segment BC, which is already marked as congruent to line segment EC, is also congruent to the line segment AD, which is opposite it in the parallelogram. So we can mark it with the same two lines as the other two congruent line segments. We are asked to find the length of the line segment FE. It doesn't appear as though we have enough information, as we only have the length of one line segment on the diagram. So a good approach would be to check if perhaps the two triangles ADF and CEF have a mathematical relationship. For example, we could check if they are congruent triangles. As we have the pair of parallel line segments AD and BE, we can work out information about some of the angle measures in these triangles. Using these parallel line segments and the transversal AE, we can note that angles DAF and CEF are congruent, as these are alternate angles. Similarly, angles ADF and ECF are also alternate angles, and so are congruent. Therefore, we have determined that we have two pairs of congruent angles. And we have already established that the pair of included sides, AD and EC, between these angles are congruent. So this proves that triangles ADF and ECF are congruent by using the ASA, or angle-side-angle, congruence criterion. This will allow us to find the length of line segment FE. In the congruent triangles, the side which is corresponding to line segment FE is line segment FA. As these are corresponding sides, they are congruent, and the length of line segment FA is 6 centimeters. So we have found the answer of 6 centimeters for the length of line segment FE by first using the properties of parallelograms and then proving that there is a pair of congruent triangles.